If we want to add this gallery over here, we simply have to click over here or from the structure over here. Then we can see that we are in the gallery widget. We have type over here. We have the images over here. By clicking over here, we can delete the images that we don't want in this gallery, or we can add new images from over here. We can change the order by simply dragging them. And then we have some settings over here. Order by random or default. Default being the order that you have set over here. Lazy load, the layout justify or main series. We have columns from over here. Let's go back to justify. The spacing from over here. We can add a link to media file or custom URL. For custom URL, we are going to add the URL over here. For the media file, if someone is going to click on the image, the light box will appear like so. We can also set over here to don't have a light box. And we also have overlay. As you can see, when someone goes with the mouse over the image, we have a black overlay and a text over here. So we have background. Now we don't see the background, but we do see the text. Okay, title. We can have title, caption, alt, description, or none. Now when someone overlays with the mouse over the image, we can see only the background and the description over here. So let's leave the title like so. Let's go to style. We have style options for the image over here. We can have a border, selecting the border color over here. The border width from over here. We can always use global colors from over here. The border radius from over here. And CSS filter from over here. Let's click on this icon over here to go back to default. By going to hover, we have border color over here, border radius, and CSS filter. And we also have hover animation and the animation duration. By going to overlay, we have for the normal state and for the hover, we have solid color or gradient. For the gradient, we can change the colors from over here, the location for each color from over here, the type from over here, and the angle from over here. And we have the blend mode from over here. By going to the color, we can also change the opacity from over here. So we can create a simple hue like so. By going to the hover state, for the solid color, we can change the color from over here. Like so. Blend mode from over here. And the hover animation from over here. For the content, we have the alignment of the content. We can see the content when we are on hover. We can see this text over here. The vertical position. Now it's over here at the top. Now it's in the middle, and now it's back to the bottom. The padding. The color from over here. And the typography from over here. global fonts from over here, or custom typography from over here. Font family, size, weight, transform, style, decoration, line height, letter spacing, and so on. Let's click over here to go back to default. And we also have spacing. Okay, for the hover animation, we can change the animation over here. And the animation duration over here. And we can also use sequence animation. And for the advanced settings, we can choose margins and paddings.